Hi, Lars. I know we don't sleep together anymore, and I know that we don't really talk much, but there's definitely something that's been on my mind recently that I wanted to talk to you about. The problem is that I don't really have a good way to say it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try and bear with me. I'm not a girl, and I'm not a boy. I actually don't know what I am, or how to explain it. I just know that the binary really doesn't work for me. And I'm just trying to figure out what does, and to make that work and possible, so that I can, live life to the fullest and enjoy it. I really hope that, you can just continue to think of me as a person that you know and spend time with, and respect any requests that I might make of you, but really not to worry too much about this, because I don't think that I'm a different person. I think that I'm just trying to find out the best way to be and express the person that I already am. So, yeah. Thanks for listening.
Hey Ruby. Hey there, sweetheart. How you doing? Tired? A little bit out of shot. Can you come a little closer? Hi. No. I know you haven't been around very long because you're still very young.